Now, Brexit has made Irish unity appear more plausible, because in the Brexit referendum of 2016, Northern Ireland proved more favourable to Britain's continued membership than any part of the United Kingdom except Scotland. 56% in Northern Ireland voted to remain and 44% to leave. So the majority in Northern Ireland could argue that Northern Ireland was being extruded from the EU against its will. So in Northern Ireland, as in Scotland, the Brexit referendum seemed to offer encouragement to nationalists. There was clearly a large majority on the island of Ireland for EU membership, since Ireland herself remained an enthusiastic member of the EU. And Northern Ireland would find it easier than Scotland to rejoin the EU, since if Irish unity came about, she would be joining with an existing member state, and unlike Scotland, would not have to renegotiate her membership. Now, the Ireland-Northern Ireland Protocol, which is part of the EU withdrawal agreement between Britain and the EU, negotiated by Boris Johnson in 2020, provides further encouragement to nationalists, because under its provisions, Northern Ireland remains in the EU internal market and also, in effect, in the EU customs union. So the island of Ireland becomes a single economic unit. Ties with the rest of the United Kingdom are loosened, since there is a regulatory and customs border in the Irish Sea. Now, most unionists in Northern Ireland reject the protocol, but nationalists can argue that the economic unity of Ireland should be accompanied by political unity.